You almost feel that the mariachi is singing. And that's the whole idea of, mariachi music. It's not just playing the notes.
This evening we have a workshop with Maestro Jose Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez has contributed in a lot of different ways to the mariachi world in terms of arrangements, different songs that he's written.
Can we try that?
Jose Hernandez, he's like the example to follow. He really is like one of the innovators, one of the greats of mariachi. To be a part of this is to get the opportunity to learn, and to learn from one of the greats is like an opportunity I just can't pass up.
Well, playing the mariachi trumpet style it's very different from playing other type of styles like jazz or classical, because our articulations are a little bit more aggressive. And it has also a very singing type of style, right? So we use a lot of the jaw vibrato.
We're very versatile in terms of like being able to play different types of music, but then there's the traditional mariachi music that we hope to remain alive.
Well, I think mariachi music is so important to the Mexican culture. It's almost like the Mexican flag. It's a source of pride when you play it, when you wear the uniform, the traje de charro. It's something that every Mexican is proud of and feel very honored to say, that's from Mexico, that music.